everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Apple product using activate.apple.com website. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in activate.apple.com and press enter on your keyboard. When you purchase a new Apple product, you'll need to activate it before you can use it. So in order to do that, type in the code that is displayed on your iOS device. Once you are done, click on the continue button and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to complete your activation. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.